wonder why you and me find each other. Don't you see the similarities between us? Take a minute and see yourself in the mirror. You're just like me, those eyes, lips you can deny. Feathers are light, but when they come together, they become happy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nurul Shafiyah from Ar-Rohmah Islamic Boarding School Campus 2 who would like to portray a noteworthy of unity. Let's pray and thank unto our God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given us mercies and blessings, so that we could be in a good situation and happy condition. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia comprises more than 17,000 islands, rich with cultures, religions, ethnics, even languages. Diversity is like a double-edged coin. Manage it properly. It's like a tiny cute little fire to a human. It could be beneficial, it could be useful, but if you couldn't take care of this cute little fire, it could burn you. Conflicts, disputes, and even diversities would never be separated from humans' life. A twin may exactly look the same. They look identical, however, there will always be a characteristic, a factor that differentiates one and another. A plant, for another example. It needs to survive in a world with water, soil, sun, and even wind. Imagine if God really created a plant with no water and the other subjects for it to grow. This plant will certainly be dead. How big Myanmar's and India's local disputes are a real kind of example of disunity. They oppress their fellow countrymen just because of diversity. They fight with each other. They even slaughter them just because of difference in social status, in ethnics, religions, cultures. However, fortunately, Indonesia has 5 principles of Pancasila. Pancasila is there to regulate on how Indonesian people should treat their freedom of a country. Pancasila is there to defend this country from any kind of irrelevant convention. It includes belief in one God, uphold humanity and tolerance, live in the unity of Indonesia, the liberation and social justice for everyone without seeing any differences. We must leave the Bhinneka Tunggal Ika aside by the legendary poem in the era of Majapahit, Putantula, to preserve the harmony of Indonesia. We must live in tolerance, peace. We desperately need them, because why? We are the diverse nation. We must be able to live a coexistent, peaceful life in the spirit of unity of Indonesia, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika in Pancasila. Ladies and gentlemen, this country should no longer live in the shadow. We must protect each other. We must demonstrate on how to treat each other, to treat our brothers and sisters as a nation, to avoid any kinds of threat of division, because wise people build bridges, ignorant people build barriers. We must find ways to take care of each other. Ladies and gentlemen, before coming to my very last speech, I would like to remind you this. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. But when health is lost, lost. But when a character is lost, everything is lost. Character is an essential problem. It differentiates us from other creatures. Alone, ladies and gentlemen, we can only do so little, but together we can do everything. You're my brother, you're my sister, we're one big family.